Welcome to this orientation on Group 1 services. The concept is logical reasoning, analytical reasoning and data interpretation from the preliminary examination point of view. The tsat officially giving orientation through tsat. So, there are so many concepts in the logical reasoning based on number system, letter system and other sources. So, based on number system we have coding, decoding, series, all will comes, even Venn diagrams will comes in this number system. In the number system you have to practice the squares, cubes, various kinds of numbers like prime number, even number, odd number, composite primes, like you can practice some of these things. Okay, in the letter series you have to practice different kinds of things, means once again coding, decoding, clear, and the same time arranging the letters as per the dictionary, all these will comes. And other sources means other than the numericals or letters, the one of the concept is calendar. Generally, if you see every year paper in the prelims, one or two questions they will ask based on this calendar, and we are very familiar with calendar, correct? Okay, so calendar comes in other sources other than numericals, means numbers and letters. Okay, we will see what kind of questions will come in the examination before going to see this. Year. So, year is generally, if you take it as an ordinary year, means a common year, a normal year. If you take it as a year have 365 days, 365 days, correct? So, among 365 days, so there are 52 weeks, 52 weeks and 1 day. Maybe you have a doubt, how you get 52 weeks? This is a very simple. For mathematics people it is a very easily can say, but other than mathematics, non-mathematics, just divide 365 days with 7. 7 5s are 35, 15, 7 2s are 14, 1 is the remainder, means 52 weeks and 1 day. Is it clear? So, a year is having 365 days. Among these 365 days, we have 52 weeks and 1 day. Clear? Okay. So, we call it as this is a normal year. This 1 day generally we call it as odd day. So, generally in different examinations and different books also, the regular usage term is odd day. 1 is an odd day. It may be any one of the weekday, maybe Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, whatever it may be. Out of 7, it may be one of it. Okay, we have one more kind of year, that is called leap year. Leap year has 366 days, correct? So, there is a some doubts in the minds of the people. So, that is ordinary has 365 days and leap year 366 days. How it has 366 days, correct? This kind of idea will come in the minds of the people. Actually, a year is 365 and 1/4 day. It is actual thing is 365 and 1/4 day is an year. For every 4 years, this 1/4 is accumulated, means 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, which is simply as 1, correct? Means for every 4 years, these 365 days will become as 366 days. That is the reason behind a leap year has 366 days. Okay. So, when you divide with 7, okay, so it is 7 52s 364, 2 days will remains, that is remainder is 2. These two days will be considered odd days. So, for a general year or an ordinary year, we have 1 odd day, 52 weeks. in a leap year we have 52 weeks and 2 days. You have to remember these things very important, because when you are going to discuss the questions, then you can understand the importance of the leap year. Clear? Okay. Then how we are going to identify the given year is a leap year or not? Very simple. You have to divide that year with 4. If it is a multiple of 4, then we can consider as it's a leap year. But there is an exceptional, it should not be a century year. Clear? So, for century year there is an exceptional. But what is a century year? Maybe you have a doubt. I use another word, century year. Correct? So, century year means here 1600 is a century year. 2000 is a century year. 2100 is a century year. Now, we can come to a conclusion very clearly. What is a century year? Simply you can say, when you divide the given year number with 100, if it is divisible by 100, that year is said to be a century year. So, century is an exception for saying about a leap year. So, what is a leap year? When you divide with 4 or the number is divisible by 4, then you can say simply it is a leap year. Very clear. Okay. Now, when you see the importance of the calendar and the properties of the calendar, actually they are very interesting, very interesting. So, generally the calendar which are used is Gregorian calendar. It is a Gregorian calendar. Okay, generally what is the name of the calendar, what kind of question will come in the examination, but very simple, the Gregorian calendar, that is 01, 01 and 01, means the first day of first month of the first year is Monday. Like the Gregorian calendar is fixed. The first day, first month of the first year is Monday, then the remaining days will be as follows. In this manner, the calendar was prepared. This is a very important. When you take the February month, March month and November month, when you consider these February, March and November, the first day of February, the first day of March and the first day of November, all the 3 are same. Okay. For example, if you have any doubt, check it. For this year 2022, the first February is simply the first February is, if you say what is the first February is now Tuesday. The first February of 2022 is February is Tuesday. So, first March also Tuesday and the first November of this year is also Tuesday. This is a very important point. The first day of the months February, March and November are same. Okay. And one more very interesting thing in the calendar is the calendar of the January and the calendar of October both are same. The calendar of January and calendar of October both are same. Means the same days, same weekdays will be there. One of the reason is January has 31 days and October also has 31 days. So, this is very important. Clear? You have to remember these two things. Okay. For February, March, November, the first days are same, but the rest of the things may change. But for January and October, throughout the month, days are same in these 2 months. That's a property of this calendar. And if you see that there are 7 months, 7 months have 31 days each. 4 months have 30 days each. And 1 month we have 28 days. When it is an ordinary year, there are 28 days. When it is a leap year, there is 29 days in that month, that is called February. Okay. There are 7 months for 31 days. We have these 7 months have 31 days each one, and there are 4 months, each one have 30 days, and 1 month 28 days for in ordinary year, and a leap year it is 29 days. 7 months, everyone knows it. Simply you can say January, March, May, July, okay, August, October and December. Clear? These are the 7 months which have 31 days. So, that is the importance of these things. Clear? The one of the first question which they are expecting in the examination. So, for example, what is today? Today is 7th June 2022, and you know that today is Tuesday. Correct? Today is Tuesday. Now, we will check it whether it is Tuesday or not. Are you able to find today is Tuesday or not? We like it, because I asked 7th June 2022 is Tuesday, you can say the answer. For example, if I ask it at 15th July 2024, what is the day? Or for example, if it is 11th April 1995, what is the day? If you want to find it, so there is a simple method. I will explain that method and you can get the answer easily. So, follow this one. This kind of questions will comes in the examination. Okay, now we will see that. For doing all these things, we are using one formula. Some codes also very important. The first one is century code. Century code. So, here 1600 to 1699 means 17th century, it is 6. 1700 to 1799, it is 4. 1800 to 1899, it is 2. 1900 to 1999, it is 0. 2000 to 2099, it is 6. 2100 to 2199, it is 4. 2200 to 2299, it is 2. And 2300 to 2399, it is 0. These are the century codes. So, there is an order if you follow that. So, 6420, 6420 means for every 4 centuries the same code it repeats. So, what is for example, if I ask to 2400 to 2499, what is its century code? You can say 6. If it is 2500 to, correct, 2500 to 2599, what is its code? 4. The next century 2, the next century is 0, like you can say the century codes 6420. Clear? Okay. So, like you can start it. So, in some of the textbooks, in some of the things I observed, some 1500 to 1599, they will start with 0, then 1600 to 1699 as 6, and 1700 to 1799 as 4. The same order, but we are using 6420. Some they will follow as 0642, whatever it may be, these codes are same. Clear? So, century codes are over. Now, coming to the next one of century. Now, we are going to consider the months. This is a very, very important. You have to consider about months. How many months you have? 12 months, correct? Okay. We will list out those things here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months. Okay. Now, for January, you have code 0, For February it is 3, for March it is 3, for April it is 6, for May it is 1, for June it is 4, for July it is 6, for August it is 2, for September it is 5, for October it is 0, for November it is 3, and for December is 5. So, you have to just remember, no need to remember all those things, a very simple one. You can say 0336 14625 035. Like when you remember this one, then it is a very easy. These are month codes. Clear? Okay. So, here we got a month codes also. Now, we will see the day codes. Okay. So, day code means here Sunday, Monday. Okay. Now, the code of the day, day code. What is the first one? We will start with Sunday, no? So, will Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday is 5, Saturday is 6. That's it. Maybe you have a doubt, sir, how we got these codes? Maybe this is a common doubt among all those things, correct? The common doubt means it simply divide with 7. When 7 divided with 7, so what is the remainder? 0. So, Sunday is 0. Monday, so means here the next day, means here we have 1, correct? So, 1 will come, remainder 1 will. So, Tuesday 2, like order, same order. So, the codes are given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, these codes are very, very important. Okay. Keeping all this in your mind, then you can practice the questions. So, you can practice all these questions. What kind of questions they will ask in the examination, we are going to discuss it. Clear? Okay. Now, we will check one question. Today is already we discussed it. Today is, what is today? Is a Tuesday. You know that 7th June 2022 is Tuesday. So, there is no doubt at all, correct? Now, we will check it whether it is correct or not by using this one. Okay, there is a formula. The method is the very simple method is what you have to do. What is the date now? So, first write the date 7th June 2022. So, for calculating the day, so the first thing is you have to write the date first, date. What it is a date? 07, correct? Okay. Next, after writing date, write the month code. Okay. June, we will check it whether what is the June code. What is the code of June here? See it, 4, correct? Okay. So, now we will see, we will add the month code 04. Clear? Okay. Now, year, the last 2 digits of the year. Last 2 digits of the year. What is the last 2 digits of the year? 22. Correct? Okay. And next, you have to write the century code. Century code. So, what is the century code? 2022. Now, we will check what is the century code. 2022 comes in which century here? 2000 to 2099. So, 2000 to 2099, what is its century code? 6, correct? Okay. So, we have to add 6 to it, 6. Okay. And you have to find how many leap years will come for this year, number. How many leap years will come? So, how many leap years will come? How to calculate this one? Simply divide that number, that year number with 4. the quotient will be considered as the number of leap years. Okay. So, here number of leap years. Okay. So, means if you calculate for number of leap years 2022 divide with the 4, 4 5s 4 5s 5 not 5s 2020, 2 is the remainder. Now consider only 22. It's simply 4 5s 22. What is the quotient is here? 5. Clear? Okay. The number of leap years also is completed. Then you have to add all these things. Correct? We have to add all these things. Now we have just the first one. What is the first one here? 7. The first one is 7. Next one is 4. Next is 22. Correct? Next is 6. And the next one is 5. So, this is a very clear. And so, once again I am saying all these things verified carefully. First you have to write the date 07, then write the month code. For what is the month here? June. The code of this month is 404. Last 2 digits of the year is 22, that is 2022, last 2 digits 22, and the century code for this one, and 2022 comes in 2000. 2000 means 2000 simply, 2000 to 2099. So, its code is 6 and the number of leap years is simply divide the last 2 digits of the year number with the 4, the 5 is the quotient. So, simply you can say as 5 the quotient. Now, add all this 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 6 is okay 13 plus 6 okay is 19, 24, means it is totally 44. Correct? So, after adding this 44, the total value divide with 7. When you divide with 7, 7 6 42. What is the remainder here? 2 is the remainder. Okay, when 0 is the remainder, it is a Sunday. 1 is the remainder, it is Monday. When 2 is the remainder, it is Tuesday. So, 7th June 2022 is Tuesday. Everyone agree with this one? Today is already Tuesday. Now, if you have any doubt, check it already previously what we have done. Show it. This one, the previous one. 7th June 2022 is Tuesday. Clear? In this manner, you can say calculate the what day it is. This question, if question comes from the calendar, generally this question is a compulsory question from the calendar year. So, very important. So, once again I am giving a clarification about this one here. First you have to write the date, then write the month code, then write the last 2 digits of the year and write the century code, and next the last one is number of leap years in the last 2 digits number. Means so 2022 means it is 22. How we are going to calculate number of leap years? Means simply 2022 means 22 is divided by 4. The quotient is 5. So, the number of leap years is considered as 5. So, add all these, then we will get a sum, divide the sum with 7. What the remainder will comes, you have to consider. If it is 0, it is a Sunday. If it is 1, it is a Monday. If it is 2, it is a Tuesday. If it is 3, it is Wednesday. It is 4, Thursday. If it is 5, Friday. It is 6, the Saturday. In this manner, we can calculate it. Clear? Okay. So, now we will check with one more example. Okay, as your wish. For example, 16th March 1999. 16th March 1999. How you are going to calculate the day? What is the day 16th March 1999? So, you have to consider. So, what is the first one? You have to write day 16, okay. The year with 16, and the next one is simply the code of March. So, you have to write the code of March, you have to check it. March is how much? It is 3, correct? It is 3, add 3. Next last 2 digits 99, correct? And the this is what is century code 99. So, simply 1900 to 99 is 0. We have any doubt, we can check it. The century code is 0, it is very clear. Okay, century code is 0. And how many leap years are there here? 1999 divide with 4 means 4 22s are 88, okay, or 4 2s are 8 here, 19, 4 4s are 16, 3 is the remainder, means 24. You will add 24 as a quotient, add all these, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 4 22, 2 is the carry, 3, 12, 14, 142, divide with 7, 720 is a 142 is a remainder. Of course, the same question is means remainder we have got it, that is a Tuesday, means 16th March 1999 is also okay. This kind of questions will comes in the examination. We will see another kind of question. Another kind of question means here they will ask the question to you. They will ask the question to you, if the, for example, how many days are Wednesdays in the month April 2001. This question generally one of the question asked already in the previous examination, they asked. Just once again I will ask you to this one. The question is, on what days in April 2001, in April 2001 we have Wednesdays. Okay, how we are going to find, means how many Wednesdays are there in April 2001, in what days, means you have to say the dates. How you are going to calculate here? Simply you have to calculate first, what is the 1st April 2001? You have to calculate 1st April 2001. When you consider 1st April 2001, means how you are going to calculate? Same method, 01, we have to add 6, 2001, that is 01, okay, and the century code is, now we will check the century code. 1 comes is simply it is a 6, okay, it is a 6. How many leap years are here? Means here 01, means here we can say there is a no leap year, you can consider as 0, correct, means you have to add it is 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, correct, it is 14, the total sum is 14, 14 with 7, 7 2s are 14, 0 is the remainder, means Sunday is the answer. Which one? 1st April 2001 is a Sunday. 1st April 2000 means here next one. So, Sunday is okay, 0 is week, 1st April is Sunday, okay, 2nd is Monday, 3rd is Tuesday, 4th is Wednesday, correct. 4th April is Wednesday. Next you have to add 4, 4 plus 7, 11th April is Wednesday, 18th April is Wednesday, and 25th April is Wednesday, correct. And if you add 7 more, means 32, there is no 32 days in any month, so 31. So, what are the days which are Wednesdays in the month April of 2001? 4, 11, 18 and 25, correct. In this manner you can calculate it, clear. This is another kind of question they will ask in the examination. Okay. Now, one more question we will see this. If today is Friday, they will ask if today is Friday. If today is Friday, find the 6 days ago. Okay. Today is Friday. Find the day. 6 days ago. Here sometimes the question may be asked as ago or after, on 66th day. This kind of question will come. How we are going to do it, I will discuss it. What is given here? If today is Friday, if today is Friday, you have to assume maybe but today is Tuesday, correct? But if it is Friday, the condition is if. We have to follow this condition. How we are going to find? Means here Friday, you are taking 66 days, correct? You have to divide 66 with 7, 7 9 just 63, 3 is the remainder, correct? For ago, if it is given, you have to subtract that one. You have to subtract. So, to what is assumed this is Friday, no? So, you have to, for ago means you have to subtract this 3. Subtract 3 means here what you have to do means here Friday. What is the next one? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, correct? Means the day after 66 days ago is Thursday, Wednesday and Tuesday. So, means day 66 days ago is Tuesday. Okay. If the question is asked, for example, if the question was asked as 66 days after, is ago is the previous one, after, next after means here what you have to just add 3 to it, means you have to say Friday plus 3 days. Friday plus 3 days means Friday plus 3 days means here simply Friday, next Saturday, Sunday, Monday, correct? So, means here the answer, if the question is if today is Friday, find the day 66 days after, what you have to do? Simply you have to add that 3 to that, it will be Monday. For example, if the question is asked if today is Friday, then find the day that the 66th day, find the 66th on the same day. What is 66th day they are asking? Then how we are going to same. So, here just if you want to on that day means here simply subtract 1 means Friday minus 1 means here next previous to Friday means Thursday, clear? So, Thursday is the 66th day. This same kind of question will come in the exam. This is a most important, clear? If today is given something and if you want to find 144th day or 175th day, like if the questions give after 144 days, what is the day? Or 44 days ago, what is the day? What is the 1/4 day? They may ask. In this manner, they can ask it, correct? So, you have to follow all these things. This is very ago was given, you have to subtract the remainder when that days was divided by 7. How much remainder you will get? Subtract the same. If it is after is given, you have to add that one. If it is on the day means you have to subtract 1. In this manner, you have to find it, clear? Okay. Now, we will see and the one more, if 5th March 1999 was Monday, okay, what is 2nd February 2017? What is 2nd February 2017? This is a question. If the 5th March 1999 is Monday, then what is 2nd February 2017? Okay, then how we are going to do this? 5th February March 1999 is Monday is given. Okay, now we are going to check it. So, first we have to find actual thing because it is if may be correct, may not be correct. So, first you have to calculate what is the day actually as per the formula what we are following the procedure. 5th March 1999. So, what is the process here? 05, correct. Then what is the code for the month? For March it is 03, and what is that year? 1999. So, you have to write last 2 digits, that is 99, and here when 99, how many leap years are there? When 99 is divided with 4, 24 4s are 96, 3 is the remainder, the quotient is 24. So, means you have to write 24, and 99 century code is 0. 05 is the date, 03 is the code of March, 99 is the last 2 digits of the 99, and 24 is the number of leap years in the 99 years, and the century code is 00. Add all those things. When you add all those things, what is the value you will get? Simply you will get 131, correct. You will get 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 24. So, 131. This is the total sum. What you have to do? 131 is divided by 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7 here, 61, 7 8s are 56. So, 5 is the remainder. When 5 is the remainder, so generally what is the 5 here? What is the 5? So, if you take it as 5, 5 when you take it as 5, remainder is 5, Friday, correct. So, when the Friday, then what is, so what is the given month here? So, how you get that one? 5th March 1999 is Monday is given. Now, calculate it: Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Means how many days you added here? 3 days are added, correct. 3 days are added. So, the similar manner you have to find the actual date of 2nd February 2017 and you have to add it. So, same one. So, first you have to write 02, the date, correct. Next February it is 3, month code, and the last 2 digits is 17, correct. Okay, and the century code is 6. When 17 is divided by 4, the quotient is 4, and the total, when you consider the total, it is 32. When 32 is divided by 7, correct, 7 4s are 28, 4 will be remainder, correct. What is a 4 here? 4 will be Thursday, correct. 4 will be Thursday. When it is Thursday, what you have to do here? The previously you added 3 days, correct. Here also you have 3 days. Thursday 3 days means here Thursday, next Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So, 2nd February 2017 is Sunday. Clear? When if the 5th March 1919 is Monday, this is a conditional. These are the various kinds of questions they will ask based on the calendar. So, very important thing is, so generally we are expecting one question from the preliminary examination comes from the calendar. This is, if you follow this one, you can answer any kind of question if they ask on the concept calendar. So, you have to remember the codes of months, codes of centuries and codes of dates. Clear? So, what you have to do? Simply here we have to, if you want to find the day, means simply write the date, then month code, then last 2 digits of the year, then how many leap years are there. So, means you have to divide with 4, you have to consider the quotient and you have to take the century code, add all these 5, then we will get some sum, then divide with 7, what the remainder you will get according to the remainder. If it is 0, Sunday, if it is 1, it is Monday, if it is 2, is Tuesday, if it is 3, is Wednesday, if it is 4, is Thursday, and if it is 5, it is Friday, and if it is 6, is Saturday. Like you can calculate. I hope everyone understand it. It's a very simple question. So, everyone can answer the question based on the calendar. Namaste.